If you're a struggling trader, in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you guys why Trusted Signals is the #1 indicator company in the planet. If you guys don't know, we are giving you guys a free indicator. Yes, an indicator that we have literally sold for millions of dollars over the last 7 years. Okay, we've been around since 2019, and the reason why we're actually giving you guys the free indicator is to get you in the realm, start making money, so that way you guys can then join us on the TS Hunter. Everything that you guys see right here is fully automatic, fully automated directly into your broker, and you guys can pretty much add this to your charts today and start trading. I'm gonna go ahead and actually show you guys some results. Right, this thing has just released this week. We have Automated Trader releasing later today. So if you guys get Trusted Signals lifetime membership, you guys are also going to get the automation that makes all of these trades fire into your broker directly for you. You guys can see right here, the TS Hunter is crazy right now. It's printing. All right, we have a crazy system strategy that's built to give you guys TPs and then also plot the winners just like this. Right now you can see we're in a little bit of drawdown, but there's a bunch of added features in here to give you guys the benefit of the trade, so that way you guys can get the entry, your take profit, your proper risk management, right? And I'm actually going to go ahead and go into the settings really quick, so that way you guys can see that this is pretty easy to use. And on the NAS 100, the default setting is literally printing. Okay, and we have a bunch of videos that are going to be dropping. This is a brand new channel. Keep in mind that on my other channels I have 30,000 subscribers. Okay, 30,000 subscribers, 7,000 subscribers. So everything that I'm doing, this, you're early in the, if you're watching a video on this specific channel right here, you're early. Nobody knows about these products yet. Okay, and the reason why nobody knows about these specific things is because we are in the process of relaunching Automated Trader. Automated Trader is releasing literally today, and it's going to take any specific trade and it's going to fire it directly into your broker. So if you have a Lux Algo indicator, if you have a Chart Prime indicator, any specific indicator, right? I'm actually setting up an alert right here. You guys can see in the test, all right, where we're going to literally add an alert message and it's going to fire it to the broker. Keep in mind that with the Trusted Signals Hunter, you just do an alert function call, meaning you set up the alert one time, right? And that's it. It's going to take every single trade. You can see right here, alert fired, and then inside the broker, boom, literally fired. And Automated Trader is simply amazing, right? It's this is the platform right here. Adding your account is super easy. You guys can see right here, I'm testing on my demo accounts right now, the paired accounts. I have 3 specific accounts that I'm testing, so that way we can launch later on tonight, and then we're gonna move everything over to our HenkoX.com link, so that way we can go ahead and have all of this running automated. And keep in mind that, again guys, this works with prop firms. Okay, I'm going to show you guys a little something as well inside the settings. Bing, bang, boom. All right, we have prop mode and we have live mode. Okay, and remember, prop firms don't give you the ability to really, use automation, but we have built something that doesn't allow it to detect it. So, I mean, our systems are literally crazy. We're literally printing money every single day inside the chats. And then with Automated Trader, the automation is going to be fully released. So guys, get inside. Trust me, you guys are going to want to join, and one of these videos are going to go viral. The one that does, I want you guys to go ahead and comment. Let me know if you guys are watching this far. If you guys have watched this far, comment down below. I'm going to go ahead and give somebody $100 BTC. All you have to do is comment on this video. All right, until the next video, I'm out. Peace.